it's a video for you guys. Hope you are all having a wonderful day. And it's almost school time, that's what I hate. 2 more days. It will be school. Today is Saturday. If you guys watch football, tell me in the comments, please, because it's Wild Card Saturday. I really want something. And I bet. Alright, this is I'm telling my dad. No, I don't want to be Hillary Clinton. Hillary Clinton. And so that I can make more videos about it. Oh, look, stupid fatty. Oh no, she's wearing back again. Stupid crap. So stupid, my microphone. Yeah, my dad's supposed to play tonight because he usually goes about. He usually went to work about 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock. Planning to go at like 8:30 because his restaurant had probably open at like 9 o'clock, so they can get everything ready for lunch. We got swapped. That girl was me right there. That girl was me. I saw Magic Boy when I flew her. What the heck? Oh no! Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Someone died. What the heck is like that? What the heck? Everybody going flying. Is everybody going flying? Funny. There's so many people there. I don't want to. Oh, my stomach's hurting. I want to go over to a birthday party. I hate birthday parties. Only when it's mine. I hate that, man. Hate that so much. Oh, you really don't. I said 2:02. Ever kill me? I didn't have that weird phone to the house. Looking like a mustache. Look at that beautiful man. He's eating a donut. Oh, look at my donut. I want to lose my leg. Yeah, I definitely do. good song right there. Woo! There's another person. No, I'm just gonna go over there. Because we'll be playing Madden downstairs. Oh, no. This boy, you were downstairs. I want to tell you this story. You were downstairs, alright? This boy named Charlie and my friend's brother, Caden, they all wanted, like, to fight. So Charlie and Caden were on Team Manny. And I didn't want to make a mess so I didn't have to, like, get in trouble or get grounded. And they, like, didn't, like, I don't know. I just wanted to keep on playing. Like, Charlie wanted me to chat with you. Then he comes over there and he goes like, and he says, "Oh, I want to fit in this fridge." I feel like he's drunk, man. Oh my gosh, he's probably drunk. I really do not want him drunk. He could be drunk, you never know. He could be drinking like Coke, be like, oh, like I had candy, would be like, be like, another can, please. Another can, please. You drank literally 4 bottles of Coca-Cola. Oh, that's good. So I want to stay up and be drunk. Like my friend's cousin. Alright, I should be quiet now. Because, I really do not want to see my sister's friend knowing that I have a YouTube channel. I want to be a secret about it. Alright, okay, let's go. Once my friend and me, his name is Landon, I keep on saying, my friend and me. I didn't get him over it. Yeah, you've seen him on video before, I said, a long time ago. I said, playing with my sister. We're playing Roblox. We're playing Restaurant Tycoon. Be an alien, not be a robot, but be a zombie. Let's be a zombie. Alright, this is probably going to be the end of the video. I will see you guys in the next episode. Subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next episode.